Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to turn Instagram account to personal account. So the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Instagram application on your device. Okay, now tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings. Okay, now click on account. And then scroll down and then click on switch account type. And then switch to personal account. Now you just have to verify your step. Then that's it. Now your account has been switched to personal account. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.